Emlid Flow now supports Bluetooth connection for all R-series Reach receivers, except for Reach RS. No matter which model you're using, the connection process is exactly the same. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile device or tablet. Open Emlid Flow. When prompted, tap Configure Access and allow location permissions. This ensures full receiver functionality. You'll then see your receiver in the list. The app will connect to it automatically. If you have multiple receivers, tap the required one and wait for the connection to complete. That's it. Since the receiver is connected over Bluetooth, it can use your phone's internet connection to receive corrections from an Intrep service. When setting up correction input, just select the Intrep over Bluetooth option in Emlid Flow, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. For more information about Emlid Flow and Reach receivers, visit docs.emlid.com or check out our other videos.